Um, Welcome to my online class. Welcome to Mr. Bam's online class today. How are you doing? So today we are looking into this chemistry question. We are asked to name this organic compound. So how do we name this? The first thing is the functional group. We have COOH. Understand me now? Don't forget that the functional group, the organic compound having this functional group is the carboxyl group, carboxylic. You understand me now? Carboxylic. So that's the functional group, carboxylic. You understand me now? So carboxylic. That's the adjective. You understand me now? Now, don't forget that this carboxylic group is a group called the alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid. Don't forget alkanoic acid. So alkanoic acid have the general formula of R, that's alkyl group, then COOH. You understand me now? So this is the R here. R, that's the alkyl group. Then we have the carboxylic, that's COOH. Don't forget that. Now, the general formula for this alkanoic acid, you understand me now, is what? Is what? Is what I just gave you now. That is CnH2n plus 1, then COOH. You understand me now? That's general formula for the carboxylic group. And don't forget that this CnH2n plus 1 is the R group, that's the alkyl group. You understand me now? So therefore I can say R then COOH. Hope you understand now. So if I put my n as 0, for an example, mathematically if I put my n as 0, then I'm going to have C0 taken as 1. You understand me now? Then I have 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is what? Is 1. So that's H1. And H1 is what? Is H. So this H1 is H. Then HCOOH. So I will see this one as met. As my met. You know, normally met is always for N as 1. You understand me now? N as 1 is met. But in this alkanoic acid, we start with N as 0. You understand me now? So N as 0 is the met then. So this compound, we can call it what? Metanoic. Metanoic acid. Metanoic acid. That's the mathematical meaning of it. So now, since N as 0 gives me this, that means N as 1 now will now give me ethanoic. Don't forget that after met is eth. After eth is what? Prop. After prop is what? Boot. After boot is what? Pent. After pent is what? X. And so on and so forth. So N as 0, N as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5 is C5. That means the carbon atom is 5. So don't forget it. So N as 5 is taken as X for this compound. So that means C will be 5. So let's count number of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is C5. You understand me now? So that means it's going to be X. So hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. That's the parent name of this compound. Hexanoic acid. So let me clear this. It's called what? Hexanoic acid. Okay. So since we have known that the parent name is what? Is hexanoic what? Acid. So let us start the naming now. Let's start the naming now. The naming is very simple. Very simple. Now, how do we name? Look at all this carbon atom here. This is the carbon atom that is in the what? Functional group. You understand me now? COOH. This is carbon atom. So we start with that carbon atom. That's 1. We name it as carbon number 1. So this is number 1. So we now go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see now. So we start from that carbon atom. That's carbon number 1. So let's look at it. Where are the branches? branches, those ones that are different from H. So we have what? We have chlorine, we have methyl. Don't forget that this methyl, don't forget this chlorine, and this also methyl. So others are H. You understand me now? So the branches are what? We have the methyl, and chlorine. And don't forget, chlorine will come first from the alphabet because chlorine, chlorine is chloro, while methyl is CH3. CH3 is methyl. You understand me now? So from the alphabet, C comes first before M. So therefore, we name chloro first before methyl. So where is the chloro? 1, 2, 3. Chloro is attached to carbon number 3. So that is 3 chloro. So let's name it now. So we have 3 chloro. Don't forget that there must be an hyphen in between figure 3 and letter. So 3 chloro, you can see now. So after chloro is now methyl, because we have named chloro, so they made the methyl. Which carbon atom is methyl attached to? Methyl, the first one is attached to number 3, second one is attached to number 4. So we have 3 and 4. So we have 3, 4 methyl. You understand now? So 3 and 4, methyl is number 3 and 4. But because there are 2, 1, 2, we say di. 1, 2 is always di. So di, 3, 4 dimethyl. So don't forget to put an hyphen between letter and figure. You can put comma between 2 figures, hyphen between figure and letter. You can see now. So those are all the branches. Then the next one is the parent name. What did I call the parent name? That's what? That is hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. So we have hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. Understand me now? Let me just put it like this. Sorry. Hexanoic acid. So the name is what? 3 chloro, 3, 4 dimethyl hexanoic acid. So that's the name. Hope you understand it. So don't forget to like my video, then comment, and also share my video. So once again, welcome to Mr. Bam's online class. If you need an experienced online tutor in further mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much.